In this video, I'll show you how to see your blocked numbers on Android and how to unblock them. Let's get started. If you've blocked someone from calling or texting you and now want to check that list, it's actually very easy. First, open the phone app on your Android device. Once you're inside the app, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap on Settings. Now scroll down until you find Blocked Numbers and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all the numbers you've blocked. You may also see options like blocking unknown callers or spam calls. If you want to unblock a number, simply tap the minus icon or remove option next to the number. You can also tap the three dots in the top right and choose to unblock all numbers if needed. If you can't find it in the phone app, there's another way. Go to your phone's main settings by tapping the gear icon. At the top, tap on the search bar and type blocked numbers. Then select the option under Call Settings, and it will take you to the same blocked numbers list. And that's it. That's how you can view and manage blocked numbers on Android. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.